Hey guys, I'm Joshua Vidovic from Vidovic Arts, and today we're working on the PanzerX. Let's have a look at it. Now this tank was actually based off the Stug X, which is, it's not actually a Stug, it's just a tank that's been inspired by one. So the same goes with this tank, it's inspired by a Panzer of some kind, some sort of a World War II German tank, but it's not entirely 100%. So this tank, it can turn its turret, which is really cool, really happy with that. It's got like a little pivot point, and yeah, it's more or less exactly the same as this tank, except I decreased the size of the tracks and the track armor, and I increased the size of the hull. Also, there's these little side panels here. Now, what you could do with this is get this vial and attach it to here, so you could have armor plating on here. I want to make a whole bunch of different designs and turrets and like guns and stuff that you could attach to any kind of tank, just to have like a whole bunch of different variations. So these two turrets are the same. They are basically identical. And yeah, you can interchange things. That's what I want to get to, so hopefully we can make some more tanks later down the line. I've had a request to make this tank with legs, so I'm gonna do that. I'll definitely, I've got the files already made, and I'll be able to make this tank a walking tank, which would be cool, and it'll be easy to convert. So I want to make a whole bunch of different tanks that you can convert and create for your own armies, and that'll be the ultimate goal. So hopefully you guys like these and you can see the potential that I'm working towards, and yeah, feel free to convert some of these yourself if you know how to model. So head over to Thingiverse and download this for yourself. It's completely free. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't, and share it to people that might like it themselves. It really helps me out. I'm trying to spread the word and spread the love. So yeah, if you can see right behind me, I've been working for about a week and a half on purely like some D&D terrain stuff, and yeah, I've kind of been trying to do it in secret, but yeah, I'll be able to showcase that sometime soon, hopefully. If you want to support me any further with these videos, don't forget to head over to Patreon and pledge a couple dollars per video. Now, you don't have to pledge like per video, you can pledge per month. Per video is just like an option, but yeah, it helps me out so much, and I'd really love to turn this into my full-time job if I can. So if you can head over there and just check it out even, or just follow me on Instagram and all that kind of stuff, just, you know, get my name out there, and hopefully we can make this a full-time career even, who knows. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys around. See ya.